Have you ever agreed to something and later wondered, why did I say yes to that? Or maybe you've met someone who always seems to get exactly what they want from people, not by force, not by threats, but by quietly influencing the way people think and feel. The scary part? Most people never realize it's happening. Today, we're going to look at 7 dark psychology tricks people use every day. 1. Love bombing. Imagine meeting someone who seems perfect. They constantly compliment you. They give you attention. They make you feel special. At first, it feels amazing. But sometimes, all that affection isn't about love. It's about gaining your trust as quickly as possible, because once someone earns your trust, influencing your decisions becomes much easier. 2. Gaslighting. This one is especially dangerous because it happens slowly. You remember something clearly, but the other person keeps saying, "That never happened." You're imagining things. You're overreacting. After hearing it enough times, you begin questioning your own memory, and that's exactly what they want. 3. Guilt tripping. Some people don't ask directly for what they want. Instead, they make you feel guilty. They say things like, "After everything I've done for you," or "I guess you don't really care." Suddenly, you're not making a choice anymore. You're trying to escape the guilt. 4. The silent treatment. Have you ever been completely ignored after a disagreement? No texts, no calls, no explanation. Sometimes silence isn't about needing space. It's used as a weapon. The goal is to make you anxious enough to give in. 5. Social proof manipulation. Humans naturally follow the crowd. If everyone appears to believe something, we assume it must be true. That's why phrases like "millions of people already use this," or "everyone is doing it," can be incredibly persuasive, even when there's very little evidence behind them. 6. The small yes strategy. It starts with a tiny request, something easy, something harmless. You agree. Then comes a slightly bigger request, and then an even bigger one. Before you realize it, you've agreed to something you would have rejected at the beginning. 7. Fear-based persuasion. Fear is one of the strongest emotions in the human brain. When people are afraid, they make decisions faster. That's why fear is often used to influence behavior. The more emotional the fear, the less logical the decision becomes. Ending, the truth is, the most powerful form of manipulation isn't the one you can see. It's the one you don't notice. But once you understand these psychological tactics, they become much easier to recognize and much harder for anyone to use against you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Brain Decode for more psychology, human behavior, and mind-blowing facts about how the human brain